Hi, Katie. Hi, it's me again. Now you can see me and you can see my baby. Yep, that's my baby. Andrew, he's 2 years old. Yep. We just want to say hello and thank you for that rating that you give us in that video response I say about your diet. I know my English is not very good, but I'm trying. Really, I'm trying. His English is better than mine. Yep. And he always have an opinion too. Yeah, we're watching all your videos and The Sims and he thinks you are funny too. Yeah. Okay. Say hello, Katie. Hello, Katie. He just wants to say hello to you too. Yeah. He loves your videos too.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Katie.
Bye.